Vlogging has changed a lot in the last 10 years, and if there's one brand that's been leading the charge, it's DJI. From drones to gimbals to pocket-sized cameras, DJI has always given creators the tools to capture professional quality content anywhere. And now in 2025, they're back with what might be their most ambitious pocket camera yet, the DJI Osmo Pocket4. This tiny device is rumored to pack some seriously big upgrades. A new 1-inch sensor for incredible low-light footage, next-gen stabilization that combines gimbal smoothness with AI, and smart features like auto-framing, gesture controls, and even better audio. Add in a brighter OLED display, longer battery life, and tighter app integration, and the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate vlogging camera. Whether you're making TikToks, YouTube shorts, or cinematic travel films. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So, what exactly makes the Osmo Pocket 4 so special, and could it really replace your phone or even a dedicated camera? Let's take a first look at the future of vlogging. The world of vlogging has come a long way over the last decade, and no brand has played a more consistent role in shaping this landscape than DJI. Known for their groundbreaking drones, gimbals, and action cameras, DJI has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to create tools that empower creators. Among their most innovative product lines is the Osmo Pocket series. Tiny, pocket-sized gimbal cameras designed for creators who want professional quality footage without the bulk of traditional setups. Now, in 2025, the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 promises to redefine what we expect from a compact vlogging camera. When the original Osmo Pocket launched in 2018, it stunned the tech world by delivering smooth, stabilized 4K footage in a device small enough to slip into a pocket. Over the years, DJI has refined its design with the Pocket 2 and Pocket 3, each generation bringing sharper sensors, better audio, and smarter features. But according to early leaks and insider reports, the Osmo Pocket 4 will be the most ambitious upgrade yet, packed with AI-driven tools, cutting-edge stabilization, and improved hardware that could make it the ultimate companion for vloggers, travel filmmakers, and social media creators. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is the new larger 1-inch sensor, a dramatic improvement that could finally bridge the gap between smartphones and dedicated mirrorless cameras in low-light performance. Vloggers often struggle with night shots, dim indoor lighting, or unpredictable travel environments, and a sensor upgrade like this would allow the Osmo Pocket 4 to capture cleaner, more dynamic footage in every situation. Combined with DJI's advanced color science and HDR video modes, this camera might deliver footage that rivals cameras several times its size and cost. Equally exciting is the stabilization technology. DJI practically invented consumer gimbal stabilization, and with each Osmo Pocket generation, the motors and software have become more precise and responsive. Early reports suggest the Osmo Pocket May 4th integrate a hybrid stabilization system that blends mechanical 3-axis gimbal balance with electronic stabilization, EIS. This would ensure butter-smooth footage even during fast walking, running, or action-heavy vlogs, making it perfect for creators who film on the go. Another major focus is AI-powered features. DJI has been pushing heavily into AI with its latest drones, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to inherit some of these advancements. Smart subject tracking, auto-framing, gesture recognition, and even voice-controlled commands could make hands-free vlogging